Hi, this is Jeremy Bradshaw from MarineMax in Venice. This is one of our brand new boats. This is a 2018 Sea Ray 270 Sun Deck Outboard. The 270 Sun Deck model has been extremely popular for us. Very family friendly, lots of storage, very nice ride to it. This particular one is the Outboard version. So your horsepower to weight ratio is very good. You have less draft, and maintenance cost is pretty low in the outboards. So this one has the sea deck right here, very, very comfortable. These make the loungers right here, tremendous amount of storage. As we go in the boat, this one has the infinity carpeting, has a gray backing, so you don't get that black rubber down after years of use. U-shaped seating in the back of the boat. This is pretty cool too. You can have it in either direction you want for the companion seat as well as the captain's chair. This one has the nice 9-inch Simrad, all the diagnostics for the boat and the engine come up on that. Fully enclosed head. This one also has your dockside discharge. This boat's going to have your bow cover as well as your cockpit cover. Very comfortable seating up front, armrest. So the boat handles very, very nice, ideal for the west coast of Florida. This is an option too, the really cool arch that does pivot right here, so if you have any bridges you have to go underneath, that works out well. So anyways, to recap, 2018 Sea Ray 270 SDX Outboard. Feel free to give us a call if you'd like to take a look at it. Again, my name is Jeremy Bradshaw. I'm MarineMax in Venice. Our phone number at MarineMax in Venice is 941-485-3388. Thanks for taking the time. We hope to talk to you soon. Bye-bye.